This farmhouse needs some remodeling. A fantastic space. It has 4 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 living room, 1 bathroom with shower, wine press, wine cellar, several storage and annexes for animals. Part of the land is a ruin that can be rebuilt, becoming another house. This space is ideal for those who like and wish to have horses or other large animals. The land consists of several types of fruit trees: orange trees, wines, olive trees, peach trees, and a well with plenty of water. The land is excellent for cultivation. The house has also mains, water and electricity. A quiet place to get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The ideal place to live in nature, near A13, A23, Tomar, Entroncamento and 1 hour 15 from Lisbon. Book your visit now.